Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best Sistema Klip It is probably one of the most versatile and durable food storage solutions available on the market today, offering a fantastic way to keep your food fresh and organized in your kitchen and beyond. With its innovative locking system and stackable design, it's no wonder why so many people are turning to Sistema Klip It for their everyday food storage needs, ensuring that your leftovers, meal preps, and pantry staples are always kept in pristine condition. Number 5. DWÖLLZA Kitchen Airtight Food Storage Containers. Introducing the DWÖLLZA Kitchen Airtight Food Storage Containers. Keep your favorite foods fresh and dry with our innovative, easy-to-use airtight seal. Simply push down the lid's ring to lock in freshness, and lift to open. This set includes 6 compact containers, each holding 0.4 liters. They are ideal for organizing small items like spices, candies, nuts, or coffee beans, ensuring everything is neatly stored and easily accessible. Enhance your kitchen's look with these elegant containers. Their clear bodies let you see the contents at a glance, while the crisp white lids add a touch of style. Plus, they are stackable to maximize your cabinet and pantry space. Enjoy the true flavor of your food. Made from thick, durable, BPA-free plastic, these containers won't alter the taste of your stored items. They are designed for long-lasting use and easy maintenance. Achieve a beautifully organized pantry and kitchen with ease. We are confident you'll love how fresh and tidy your food stays. Your satisfaction is our priority, so enjoy your purchase with peace of mind. What we like. This set offers a simple yet effective airtight seal with its push-down ring mechanism, keeping your food fresh. It also boasts a clean, elegant look with clear bodies and white lids, perfect for displaying on your countertops. If you're looking for small, stylish containers for spices, candy, or nuts that maintain freshness and look good, this is a great choice. What people say. The Sistema Klip It containers are made of durable plastic that doesn't easily scratch or crack. The Klip It locking system ensures a tight seal, preventing leaks and keeping food fresh for longer. These containers are stackable, which helps save space in the pantry or refrigerator. Number 4. FineDine Small Glass Meal Prep Container, 6-count Teal. Introducing the FineDine Small Glass Meal Prep Container. It's designed to make your meal prepping simple and efficient. Keep your food fresh and prevent spills with its airtight and leak-proof design. You can confidently pack it in your bag without any worries. Enjoy the convenience of reheating your meals directly in the microwave. When you're done, simply place it in the dishwasher for effortless cleaning. These containers are ideal for packing snacks, dips, or perfectly portioned meals. Take your favorite treats with you wherever you go. This set comes in a beautiful teal color, adding a touch of style to your kitchen. You'll love the look and functionality it brings. Crafted from durable glass, these containers are built to last. They offer a safe and reliable way to store your food. What we like. These containers are made from durable glass, ensuring no lingering odors or stains and a premium feel. They are also leak-proof and microwave safe, making them ideal for transporting meals or reheating leftovers. If you prioritize health, durability, and the convenience of reheating your food directly in the container, these are an excellent option. What people say. The Sistema Klip It containers are made of durable plastic that doesn't easily scratch or crack. The Klip It locking system ensures a tight seal, preventing leaks and keeping food fresh. These containers are stackable, which helps save space in the pantry or refrigerator. Number 3. Sistema 18-piece food storage containers. Introducing the Sistema 18-piece food storage container set. Keep your food fresh and your kitchen organized with these versatile containers. The lids feature easy locking clips and an extended flexible seal. This design helps keep your food fresher for longer periods. Maximize your storage with our modular stacking design. It helps save valuable space in your pantry, countertops, fridge, and freezer. Their rectangular shape is designed to reduce the footprint. This enhances their space-saving capabilities even further. This set includes containers in various sizes to suit all your needs. From small snacks to larger meals, we have you covered. Cleanup is a breeze as these containers are dishwasher safe. Enjoy convenience and efficiency in your kitchen. What we like. This comprehensive set provides a range of sizes to accommodate various food storage needs, from small snacks to larger leftovers. The easy locking clips and extended flexible seal ensure your food stays fresh. If you need a versatile collection for meal prepping, lunches, and general food storage with efficient space-saving design, this multi-size pack is ideal. What people say. The Sistema Klip It containers are great for meal prepping and storing leftovers. They are stackable and save a lot of space in the fridge. The locking lids on the Sistema Klip It containers create an airtight seal, which keeps food fresh for longer. They are also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Number 2. Sistema Klip It Rectangular Food Storage Container, 3 count. Introducing the Klip It Rectangular Food Storage Container. Its innovative design ensures your food stays fresh for longer. Perfect for a variety of foods, from fresh fruits and salads to hearty soups and leftovers. Keep your meals ready to go. The lid features easy locking clips and a flexible seal. This combination creates an airtight environment to maintain optimal freshness. Maximize your kitchen space with its modular stacking design. These containers fit neatly together, saving valuable storage room. Crafted from 100% virgin plastic, it's completely phthalate and BPA-free for your peace of mind. Enjoy safe and durable food storage. This set includes 3 containers, each with a 33.8 ounce or 1.0 liter capacity. They are ideal for everyday use and meal prepping. What we like. Each container in this set offers a substantial 1.0 liter capacity, perfect for storing larger portions of salads, soups, or leftovers. The signature easy locking clips and flexible seal guarantee freshness. If you often store larger food items, need reliable seals, and appreciate a tidy pantry, this set is a practical and efficient solution. What people say. The Sistema Klip It containers are made from durable, BPA-free plastic, ensuring longevity and safety for food storage. Their unique Klip It locking system provides an airtight and leak-proof seal, keeping food fresh for longer and preventing spills. The stackable design of these containers allows for efficient organization in the refrigerator or pantry, saving valuable space. Number 1. Sistema 3-piece food storage containers. Introducing our 3-piece food storage container set, perfect for your meal prep needs. Keep your snacks and meals perfectly separated for convenience on the go. Each container features lids with easy locking clips and a flexible seal. This ensures your food stays fresh and secure, no matter where you take it. Tired of cluttered cabinets? Our modular stacking design helps you save valuable space in your kitchen. Everything fits neatly together. Crafted from 100% virgin plastic, these containers are phthalate and BPA-free. You can trust that they are safe for storing all your food. This set includes 3 containers, each with an 11.8 ounce capacity. They are ideal for controlling your portions and enjoying your meals. Cleanup is a breeze. These containers are dishwasher safe, making your meal prep routine even simpler. Just load them up and let the dishwasher do the work. What we like. These containers feature convenient divided compartments, allowing you to keep different food items separate within a single container. This is perfect for packing balanced lunches or keeping snack components distinct. If you like to keep your meals organized, prevent flavors from mixing, and prefer smaller, portion-controlled containers for snacks or lunches, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. The Sistema Klip It containers are stackable, saving space in the cupboard. The lids have a locking mechanism that ensures a tight seal, preventing leaks. These containers are made of durable plastic and are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.